take up their position in the aircraft now.
I believe, but I'm not 100% sure, but the little
When you see that lightning fucking thing, that was enough. That was my top favourite jet, see that one and that one.
There's one of the key differences that marks this aircraft from its predecessor, turboprop powered aircraft. Introduction of the jet provost. Much has evolved in terms of turboprop and the airstroke technology. This aircraft much cheaper to operate. We saw the 3 points of the balloons, and there he is cresting the very topmost. Re-engines. They're very slow to the public program, and one for which we much thank the United States Air Force. First year without the Royal Air Force's big bomber in the display in the form of the Vulcan. Well, that was a type that made its first flight in 1952. There was another exercise. So to match the example, we can